That's one of your, this is one of your chambers in your heart. Your heart has 4 chambers like that that help to pump the blood. So it's a 4-chambered pump. Now the lungs are really cool. At the top of your lungs, I cut a piece off, is the trachea. This is your windpipe. You notice, no it won't because you have a voice box for that. You have, these rings here are made of cartilage, so it's very, very tough. It keeps the windpipe open.
That is cool.
Now, also attached to it, running alongside of it is the esophagus. That's what goes down to your stomach. They don't leave us the stomach though because that gets pretty stinky. Anyone who wants to blow into the lungs? Mark already helped you. You want to watch or you want to do the blowing?
I want to do both.
I just want to watch.
Okay, Grant, you want to blow? Okay, grab a piece of that tubing.
Oh, I thought you were actually going to stick your lips on.
Yeah, watch out.
Oh, no. Nasty.
No, Brianna, make
This is still a little frozen, but
I'm
so
I'll take
videotaping
the
this.
one end.
Can I watch
This
it?
end we won't be sucking on.
Yes.
Whatever you do, do not breathe in
Oh, Mark.
when it's in the lungs.
Otherwise
Okay?
it'll like
It'll
that
smell
blubber.
really bad. It's not going to hurt you, but it'll just really, really stink and you might get. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create kind of a seal around the tube and the lungs, and Brianna's going to blow as hard as she can. You're going to take a deep breath away from the tube, and then you're going to blow in really hard. Right now? Yeah, and we're going to pump up these lungs.
Oh, yeah.
Try again.
That is cool.
Okay. You can see, as she blows in, there's tiny little air sacs throughout these lungs. And the air sacs, this is called the trachea, and then the trachea branch off. There's actually 2 lungs here. You can see there's kind of connective tissue along the middle. There's 1 lung here and 1 lung here. And they're made of lobes. They're kind of They're kind of in 3 different pieces.
So
That's
our
how
lungs are like way smaller.
our lungs are quite a bit smaller than this. Not a ton. It won't work because I don't have the seal going. So this trachea comes down. It branches off into 2 branches that we call bronchi. And then those 2 branches form tiny, tiny tubes throughout this lung. At the end of each tube is a little air sac. Kind of like a miniature balloon, a microscopic balloon. And so when she's blowing it, and there's millions, there are 150 million little balloons in these lungs. 150 million little balloons in these lungs. And so all 150 million are trying to pump up when she blows in. So I'll seal it off really good. Go again.
That's disgusting.
We have an air leak somewhere. I think because I cut into part of it. And so, thank you. On the back of the lungs is where the heart connects. Because you know your heart has to pump blood to your tissues and it has to pump blood to your lungs so that blood can get oxygen in it. So on the back side of it,
Isn't that just
you can
appetizing?
see the holes from the heart that connect to the lungs.
That's cool.
That's awesome.
Okay? So
Get right up close.
this lung
just look at
is
that
a
right
million
there.
air sacs.
Blood.
Listen, it's a million little air sacs all surrounded by tiny little blood vessels. These blood vessels branch off into tinier and tinier and tinier little blood vessels until the blood vessels are only 1 cell thick on their walls. Very, very thin. And so it makes it really efficient for oxygen and carbon dioxide to transfer back.
Did the other class look at this?
Not yet. They're going to do it this class.
Awesome.
This next class, okay? Thank you very
Blow
much.
up the lungs again. I want to see that
You want to
again.
see it one more time?
Yeah, blow them up.
Give me a minute. A good seal is very important for proper inflation.
Tape.
Okay.
Tape.
Oh,
What the heck?
One lung's not working.
one lung's not working. Oh, I have the tube too far down.
His lungs are gonna
Try again.
collapse.
like it's a thing that's
There it goes.
Oh, that's cool.
That's awesome.
So there's like 4 of them?
There's basically 3 lobes to each lung.
Well, you can't make the heart
No,
pump.
there's 3 lobes to each lung. That's 1 lung. This is another lung. This is just some connective tissue.